Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cocktails with Rum Easy Guide. Start by choosing a base rum and measuring small batch portions to taste. Use fresh citrus, quality mixers, and chilled tools for clean flavor. Muddle gently when using herbs or fruit to avoid bitterness. Balance sweet and sour, then add ice and stir or shake as appropriate. Taste often and adjust simple syrup or citrus to your preference. Learn 3 core techniques that make rum cocktails sing: shaking, stirring, and muddling for texture. Shaking aerates and chills, ideal for citrus-forward drinks, while stirring preserves silkier spirits. Muddling releases oils from herbs and fruit without shredding. Use a fine strainer to remove pulp for clarity, and choose dilution based on glassware and temperature. Finish with a bright garnish to lift aroma and flavor. Practice these basics to build confidence and creativity behind the bar. Classic rum cocktails are simple to master and adaptable. Start with a daiquiri using 2 Oz rum, 3/4 Oz lime, and 3/4 Oz simple syrup, shaken and strained. For a Mai Tai, mix aged rum, orange liqueur, orgeat, and lime for a layered profile. Dark and Stormy combines dark rum with ginger beer and lime over ice for spice and refreshment. Start light, then build complexity as you learn flavor balances and ratios.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.